Sagittarius, good morning. This is your channel messages for the 15th. It is the 15th, I believe it is. Yes, it is. Oh no, it's the 16th. It is the 16th of March. Let's go. Sagittarius, my apologies. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. I think I said the 15th on almost all the other zodiac sign readings. My apologies. Let's go. We got not today. Yeah. Not dealing with hurt, avoiding a conversation, call, personal boundaries. I'm getting you're still angry. We have love, unconditional love, self-love, oneness, passion, affection, and attraction. All right, so maybe right now you're focusing on yourself. I'm not sure if you and somebody fell out, if there is a very uncomfortable conversation need to be had, but I'm getting you don't want to have the conversation today. Maybe you don't want to be emotional, maybe you don't want to cry, so I'm getting you're practicing self-love today and you're avoiding all calls or text messages that may compromise how you feel. I'm getting you've been crying a lot, Sagittarius. You need to take care of yourself today. Do not share your energy with anybody today. All right, let's go. Sagittarius. Oh, the angel. Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done? Let's go. We have the death card. Life is one big party when it's still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done? Sagittarius, when you think about the ending of your life, when you think about when you think about when you take your last breath, do you think, if you ever thought about it, you think you're going to take your last breath beside the one you love? You have to think about what will happen when you get sick, the death card, pestilence. So it's all fun and games for get off. It's all fun and games for look at the most sexy body, to look at a girl clapping her ass and fucking. That's great, Sagittarius. But you need to know that when you're sick, when you need help, when you're up on your deathbed, because I'm sure you plan to live a whole life, who are going to have your back? You're not a part of a temple. And let me tell you something, even if you're attending a church or a temple, you see when you're sick and in a bed, none of those fuckers go and visit you. All those fuckers go and visit you when you're dead. All those church people who you sit down beside the congregation every single Sunday, they now visit you up on your sick bed. They will come your funeral though. Life is one big party, Sagittarius. You have to think about the ending of your life. It's not all of us make it to gray hair. You have to know that. That's why when I say man or woman with gray hair, it's a blessing to me. I say man with gray hair, why you dye it? I see men with gray hair, gray beard. Them gone in a fucking the Shoppers Drug Mart, go fucking buy black dye. Why you black dye out your hair for? You don't know gray come with knowledge and age. So you stand there and try to appease to the young girls because you want you to get scarf, right? And keep using that black box dye in your gray beard or your gray hair. For fucking what? You need to think about the ending of your life. It's not everybody make it to gray hair stage. You hear me tell you? We have the moon card. I'm getting something about a Scorpio. Okay, so I'm getting something about the death of a Scorpio, or I'm getting someone is hiding the death of a Leo. Yeah, I'm getting, okay, so this could be something about the magician. I'm getting a Leo or a Scorpio. So I'm getting someone is being held hostage, someone's kidnapped at the moment. I'm getting something under manipulation is happening. Now somebody might ask you to come somewhere with them. I'm kind of getting them to tie you up. I'm getting somebody's asking you to visit them somewhere or come somewhere with them. I'm getting something about visiting a graveyard. I'm getting you and somebody was walking and them say, come, let's walk through this graveyard. Or let me show you somebody's grave. I'm getting ever since them bring it to the graveyard, your life has been fucked up. My ex do me that one time. My first ex, who I come a Canada to, him bring me go on graveyard. Ask me why. Why would you bring me to a graveyard? I'm gonna say the grave, I'm gonna say, why you bring me here? Why would you bring me to a grave? Unless him ex was in the graveyard, maybe. I think him ex probably was buried there. Him bring me one. Him say, come here, go out for the day. I'm gonna put on my clothes and we take a stroll for the day. Fuck, I bring me go. No, me and him I ride bicycle. It was summer. We ride bicycle. And him say, come make me show you the school where me used to go. And him show me everything and we ride past the school. Till when me done ride, me reach a one blood clot graveyard. Me say, why him bring me come a graveyard? You see, and that was little bit when I just come here. And then I leave and go back and him bring me back a one graveyard again. So I'm getting something about the graveyard. I don't know what this is. Maybe something was supposed to literally make you take your own life. Be very weary, women. I don't know why somebody would have bring you to a graveyard. Unless I kill them, won't kill you. Yeah, well, the three, yeah, it was a setup. The Three of Pentacles. We have a Tarot. And we have the Hangman. Sagittarius. I'm getting after you took a visit to this graveyard, your life went to shit. You couldn't see, you couldn't walk, you couldn't talk. It's like you're dead. You feel dead. I have visited graveyards by myself when I was called there. The last time I visited a graveyard, I was staying at the Canadian Mental Health Association. I was staying, I was not supposed to be there. Dirty fucking officers. Anyways, my dear, and I get up out of my room and something call me. Something called me and it said take a walk. And me is the type of person, me not go, especially if I don't have money, you will never see me just outside a walk. Especially if I don't have money, you're never see me outside. When you see me outside, I will come I have money for spend on something. You will never see me outside if I don't have money for spend on something. Never. So if you wonder why I'm locked up in my house, I don't have money. Because what the fuck me I go outside go do? Window shop? For fucking what? Anyways, yeah. Me getting this was a plan for bring it to someone's grave. Me getting after the Leo, Aries, Sagittarius bring it to the grave, your life mash up. Me hear it a call me, it's a walk. And me get up and me walk. It's a walk, me reach one Jewish graveyard. And one man said turn night, when me turn night, I bear white people there. I don't know what me I look for, but me I walk. Me just roam the graveyard, so me I roam. And then when we reach the graveyard, me see a PS5 grave. So one grave, one black grave, and they look exactly like a PS5. It look like a game. PS5, PS6 game. In a one Jewish graveyard, them bill one PS6, PS5 tombstone for the person. And then I just left and said, what the fuck was that? Let's go, Sagittarius. Life is one big party, Sagittarius. Who's going to have your back when it's done? Religious agenda. We have Mercury, that is Virgo. That's also, we have Scorpio. Yes, somebody, a Scorpio, some graveyard situation is happening. I don't know who bring a graveyard. We have Magic, the Magician. Magic, the Magician. I don't know who bring a graveyard. Me getting you went and when you came back, your life. Somebody has been digging your grave for years, Virgo. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.